Hello and welcome to the CATIA V5 Assembly Design course from EDST e-learning. CATIA is the world's leading solution for product design and experience and is used in different industries like aerospace, automobile, defense, etc. CATIA V5 Assembly Design course will be beneficial for users who have some exposure to CATIA V5. By the end of the course, you will have a better understanding of assembly design by learning the advanced tools in CATIA V5 Assembly Design and will be eligible for the design opportunities available in the industry. I hope you have completed the CATIA V5 Part Design 1 and CATIA V5 Part Design 2 courses. The recommended version for practicing the exercises is CATIA V5 R21 and higher versions. Each chapter covers step-by-step process of assembling the components. I recommend you to learn each chapter sequentially as each chapter will add a new skill and familiarizes you with the assembly design interface. In this course, you will learn to enter the Assembly Design workbench. The course will cover the approach to assembly design. You will learn to insert components in the Assembly Design workbench. In addition, we will discuss about applying assembly constraints like coincidence, contact constraint, offset constraint, etc. You will learn to analyze the interference between parts. You will also learn to generate bill of materials. Further, we will discuss about contextual design, publication, etc. Associated with each chapter, there will be exercises, and in this course, there are 5 exercises for you to practice which are available in the downloadable exercises. As part of the course, you will assemble components of the engine assembly. You can download these exercises and practice repeatedly so that you will be able to get some hands-on experience in CATIA V5 assembly design and reinforce what you have learned in this course. CATIA V5 assembly design course will help you to have a deeper understanding of assembly design workbench. You will be able to insert existing components, apply constraints, and fix the components, perform contextual design and publication, etc. EDST e-learning is an online learning platform developed by EDS Technologies leveraging 25 years of experience as the leading engineering and PLM solutions company. Once you complete the course, you can avail the course completion certificate. Enroll for the course and enjoy the learning experience.